Hey gamer, today I'm here to talk to you about science and stuff. This was a project that I had a choice to do a lot of other things for, but I decided to do a video because, I already do YouTube videos, and I was like, I might as well upload this to YouTube, so, if you're watching this on YouTube, I don't know why I'm covering my mouth, it does nothing because the microphone's right here. I don't know why I'm whispering either. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me. It really helps out. So if you like science, you better subscribe. I'm talking to you. You right there. Anyway, with all that said, let's talk about our lovely boy, titanium. First off, titanium. Yep. This dude is a solid metal that has a melting point of 1,688 degrees Celsius and a melting point of 3,287 degrees Celsius. Now, I don't know about you, but I think those are some pretty big numbers. I mean, just look at those. Hopefully, I'm good at editing. Here's some fun facts about our lovely boy titanium. Titanium has low density, but high strength, so it's really light and as durable, if not more durable, than most metals. Titanium was discovered in the year 1791, which, now that I think of it, that's the exact year Gabe's laptop was made. By the way, Gabe, you're in this class, I see you. And you watch my YouTube, so I know you're watching this, you little. Some risks are lung disease, chest pain, and irritation in the skin or eyes. I'm trying to think of a one-liner to, have a cheesy transition, but I can't think of any, so we're gonna swiftly move on to the benefits. Thank you. The benefits are, it has a high resistance to chemical attack and has the highest strength to weight ratio out of all the other metals. So, you're going into battle. I might have to sell you some of my finest titanium swords. Hopefully the power of editing can make a sword appear in my hand. That would be pretty cool. Well, where the heck do you find this stuff? It sounds amazing. Give it to me now. Hold on there now. It's not found as a pure element in nature, but it can be found in compounds of minerals in the Earth's crust. It's actually the 9th most abundant mineral in the world, so good luck to you. The two most important minerals for mining titanium, I have no clue how to say, so I'm going to put them up on screen and try and pronounce to say them. Ilmenite? Rutile? Yeah. The top producing countries for these ores are South Africa, Australia, and Canada. Hey, that's where I live. That's pretty cool. Titanium has a good old romance with our friend oxygen, forming titanium dioxide. Those two lovebirds. Anyway, that's all we have time for. So thanks for watching. Teacher, give me an A+. And to everyone on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, share them with your friends. And as always, this has been Frankie. Stay super.